Good afternoon. How are you today, travelers? I'm doing pretty good. This video is a little short clip. We have left Lake Havasu, Arizona, Lake Havasu City, Arizona, and have gone up into the Cottonwood, Sedona area. I had a little clip of showing you where I was going, kind of a highway picture thing, but it failed, so that's not on here. We left a couple days ago. The temperatures are starting to rise, and I will be giving you a look around at where we're camped right now. We're in the Sedona Cottonwood area, camped together still, which is good. And this is a 14-day area. The rangers came out this morning, took our license plates, and make sure that we're only going to be here 14 days. We have talked with the ranger, and the ranger spoke to us and told us we can stay 14 days period in each forest, and then we would have to go to a different forest and stay there for another 14 days, and then possibly a third state forest, stay there 14 days, and then we could come back to the current forest. So it's 14 days in any 30-day period. So right now we're in the I think it's a Conoco National Forest. I'm not saying that right, but anyway, Flagstaff's in that forest as well, so that would also include them in our 14 days, which kind of stinks because people have like stayed sometime in Cottonwood and then they've gone up to Flagstaff and they've hung out there. Well, this year they're cracking down on the 14-day limit because of all the people out here and because of an influx in the amount of nomads out here, and also nomads that are taking advantage of the 14-day rules. So when you're out here on United States Forest Service land, take that into consideration and do your part to keep your trash picked up. Don't leave trash, leave no trace. Keep your campsites nice, obey the rules of staying out here 14 days and then moving on to another forest completely. So, and I'm not sure where those forests are, but anyway, that's the news of the day. We're all fine, we're staying together. There's 10 of us traveling right now. Chuck is still not here as of today, but he'll be coming up in a day or two, so that'll make 11 of us. But we've been camping together since probably October, so we're pretty much quarantined together, and we've been doing the whole in-place thing. And my understanding is our country is starting to open up in certain areas, which will be good, and people can get back to work, and things may go back to somewhat normalcy. We'll see. And we're having a good time here and enjoying ourselves. This morning we had bacon, eggs, pancakes, courtesy of our friend Bruce. He has a grill and made breakfast, and Aja made eggs, and Michelle made pancakes. So we had a really great breakfast this morning. Anyway, if you want to see all about that, I'm sure Aja will put out a video in the weeks to come because she filmed. So I try to film different things. Anyway, I keep saying anyway, sorry about that. And my arm's getting tired of holding this phone. So I'm sorry that I crashed my one shot of you guys going through Arizona and seeing it, but I ran out of memory on my phone and I had to get it all off. So anyway, I think you will like what I do have to show you today, and without further ado, let me get into the video. All right, I'll catch back up with you in a bit. Well, today is the day that we leave Lake Havasu City for points north, and heading up into Seligman today, and I'm not sure where, but I'll figure it out. But first, I'm going to stop up here at Highway 40 and get nice hot shower. And then we'll head on. Lots of wind coming in, I'm sure, because I got the windows open. It's quite warm today. I think it's about 80 inside the cab here, up by the dash. It's probably cooler in the back because I got fans going. Got a Ryobi fan right here. And there's a couple fans back there for Jake. Right now we're climbing, and Vinny doesn't much like climbing, but we do it, and we're gonna climb up to, I think like 4,000 feet today. So it'll get cooler quick. Anyway, we're off. Pretty much all of us. Chuck stayed behind. Aja and Ed and Sue went on ahead. Today it's Dory, Jimmy, Jen, Bruce, and possibly Michelle. Michelle's waiting for her generator, so possibly Juice, possibly Michelle. The rest of us are heading out, and then Chuck will meet up with us in a few days. He wants to soak up some more of these warm rays. Anyway, we'll talk to you in a bit. The highway's kind of empty. Just a few cars up front. Not very many campers out here that I'm looking at. We'll catch you up in a bit. Let you see where we're going. Alright, talk to you in a bit. Well, these next couple clips are of the campground itself, of where we are, and I hope you enjoy that. It's right around sunset. Yesterday afternoon we had a couple thunderstorms roll through, so the clouds are pretty cool, and you'll see on the hillsides just how beautiful this area is. Jakey boy, what you doing today? Oh, Jake. Jake's laying down inside because it's cooler inside than it is out. And he's enjoying his little bed. You're going to say hi to everybody? Say hi, Jake. You say hi, Jake? Jake. Hello? Jake. Jake, sit. Sit up here. Alright, sit. Good boy. Oh, that wasn't a sit. Oh, and the grump came with it? You've been a grumpy dog lately. Why? I said grumping because I don't like to move. I don't like to move. Alright. Say bye, Jake. Go back on your pad. Go on your bed. Go. On your bed. Go. Go, Jake. On your bed. Go on. Go on your bed. That's a big boy. Get comfortable again. Sorry I bugged you. Oh, he's such a grump. Alright, bye. Well, there you have it. That's my video for this week. I'm glad you guys are hanging out with me and watching. And thanks for subscribing. Like, share, tell your friends about me. Thank you to all of you who have sent coffee money or a little bit of gas money. I really appreciate that. If you're interested in our tip jar, it's over at the PayPal, and there's links to that on my page. If not, that's cool. I'm cool. Anyway, I really appreciate you coming, and I hope you're all well and taking care of yourselves. And until the next time, I hope to see you very soon. Follow your heart, embrace your dreams, and cherish your life, and try to do something fun today. All right, we will catch you real soon. All right, talk to you later. Bye-bye.